Want to build a powerful PC under 40,000 rupees in 2026? Whether you're a student, office user, programmer, or casual gamer, this build gives excellent performance without breaking the bank. Let's look at the parts. First, the processor. I'm choosing the AMD Ryzen 5 5600G. It comes with 6 cores and 12 threads and includes Radeon integrated graphics. That means you can play games like Valorant, GTA 5, CS2, Minecraft, and many esports titles without buying a graphics card. Next is the motherboard. The MSI B450M motherboard is affordable and provides all the essential features including M.2 SSD support, USB 3 ports, and future upgrade options. For memory, we're using 16GB DDR4 RAM running at 3,200 MHz. In 2026, 8GB is no longer enough for multitasking. With 16GB RAM, you can browse, study, edit documents, watch videos, and game smoothly. Storage is handled by a 500GB NVMe SSD. Compared to traditional hard drives, NVMe SSDs offer much faster boot times and application loading speeds. Windows can start in seconds. Powering everything is a 550-watt power supply from Cooler Master. A quality PSU is important because it protects your components and gives room for future upgrades, like adding a dedicated graphics card. For the cabinet, I'm choosing the AMD Esports ICE-112. It offers good airflow, supports multiple cooling fans, and has a clean gaming appearance at an affordable price. If your budget includes a monitor, you can choose a 2.2-inch or 2.4-inch Full HD display for sharp visuals and comfortable daily use. Performance-wise, this build is excellent for office work, coding, online classes, content consumption, and light gaming. The best part is that you can upgrade later by adding a graphics card like an RTX 3050 or RX 6600 without changing the processor. For under 40,000 rupees, this is one of the best value PC builds available today. If you found this build helpful, like the video, subscribe for more PC builds and tech guides, and let me know your budget in the comments.